Well, today didn't go exactly as planned. We had a hot air balloon scheduled for the morning, and now we're about to head off onto a helicopter ride. We're super excited to see Sedona from above tonight, but we're a little disappointed that we can't compare the two experiences of a hot air balloon and a helicopter ride. Tomorrow we were supposed to be rescheduled for the hot air balloon, but unfortunately they had to cancel again due to some wind situations. So if you ever come to Sedona, we highly recommend seeing this landscape from above, and we'll let you know how this helicopter ride goes and take you along for the ride.
So I just got here to the helicopter tour. I'm very excited for it. It's gonna be super fun. Showed up just in the nick of time. We have less than a minute to actually walk in this door, so I'm talking fast. I apologize if it gets confusing, but yeah, long story short, we're here, we made it on time, and I'm stoked.